Welcome to the e-learning module of German language training program. And today in this lesson plan, we will do a quick recap of self-introduction done in lesson plan 1, alphabets in German, weekdays in German, as well as I'll cover a few of months for you. So let's begin. We have done this already. Self-introduction is called as Vorstellung. It is not Vorstellung. It will be Vorstellung. It is the noun. In German, question is called as Frage, answer is called as Antwort. To ask somebody's name on a formal note, we have to say, Wie heißen Sie? That means, what is your name? Ich heiße Maria. My name is Maria, or I am called as Maria. Another question, woher kommen Sie? That means, where do you come from? I come from India. To say it in German, ich komme aus Indien. Indian. So India is called as Indian. Male Indian is called as Inder. Female Indian is called as Inderin. To say I am an Indian, it will be Ich bin Inder for male. Ich bin Inderin for female. Another very common question that can be asked is, where do you live? Wo wohnen Sie? Wo wohnen Sie? The possible answer to it can be, I live or stay in Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, or any of the location. In Germany, you have to tell the street number as well. So it will be, Ich wohne in Delhi. I repeat, Ich wohne in Delhi. Moving further, what do you learn is called as Was lernen Sie? I repeat, Was lernen Sie? Was, W-A-S. This is not was, but was in German, which means what. Ich lerne Deutsch. I learn German. German is called as Deutsch, and Germany is called as Deutschland. Deutschland. Another common question, what do you play? Was spielen Sie? Ich spiele Fußball. Fußball, football. So this is not football, it is Fußball. Anyways, today we'll learn the alphabets also, so this point will be very much clear to you. Last question, welche Sprache sprechen Sie? So this Sprache is the noun and sprechen is the verb here, and welche is the W question, W word. So, welche Sprache sprechen Sie? Ich spreche Englisch, Hindi und ein wenig Deutsch. I repeat, ich spreche English, Hindi und ein wenig Deutsch, which means I speak Hindi, English, and a little bit of German. With this, the recap of self-introduction is finished and we are moving further now. Today, we will do alphabets in German. The spelling is same, the script also is same, similar to English. So it will be easier for you to learn. Just pay attention to the pronunciation part. So alphabet spelling is same, but how do we pronounce it in German? It's das Alphabet. Das Alphabet. I repeat, das Alphabet. So A is pronounced as A in German. A sound will come. You can write the pronunciation as per your convenience in any of your regional languages. Hindi, English, Malayalam, Punjabi, but the sound should be correct. Okay. So it is not mandatory that you write these pronunciation as shown on the screen. You can write as per the sound, your understanding, what, and in your regional language also. But make sure you do write the pronunciation, because after the session, you might get confused with the sound. So it's always better to note down initially everything. So I will say it in German only. A is A, B, B, C, C, A, B, C. I repeat, A. Please repeat after me. You have to follow after me. Each and every alphabet. A, B, C. B, A, S. J, A, S. The sound of A is A and E is A. So A, 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 B, C, J, A, F, J, H, E. J sound in a word, it will be the year sound, but as in the alphabet, you have to pronounce it as yacht, yacht, yacht. However, in any of the word, it will be called as, it will be sound, the sound will be year sound. Yacht, ka, L, yacht, ka, L. Let's do a quick recap of A to L. You have to repeat after me. A, B, C, D, A, F, G, H, E, J, K, L. I hope A to L is clear to everyone. Let's move forward. Now the pronunciation is same for M and O. M N O. M N O. P is pronounced as P. P. The sound P. Q. It is not Q. It's Q. Q sound. Q. R. 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 L N O. L M N O. P Q R. P Q R. S. S will be S. The sounds will be same like English. S. Now, likewise, P, he will be pronounced as T. So, P, T, P, T. T, U, U. So, let's do a quick recap. A to U. A, B, C, D. A, F, J, H, E, J, Ka, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Now, this letter V, we have also done it in Vorstellung. So, this alphabet is called as V in German. V. Wow. The sound is F sound. Please make a note. F sound. However, it is your sound, but in letter we say it as your. Similar way, this is the F sound, but in letters we say it as V sound. V. W is pronounced as way, and X is pronounced as eek. Eek. The letter eek. Y, ypsilon, 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 and Z is called as set, set, set. Please repeat after me each letter. A, B, C, D, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Apart from A to Z, these 26 letters, we do have 4 special characters in German. Like A we have done, which is called as A in German, but if we put these 2 dots on top of it, these 2 dots are called as umlaut, A-U-M-L-A-U-T, umlaut in German. So if on top of A, if we put these 2 dots, it becomes A sound. So without umlaut, it's A. With umlaut, A. Similar way, without umlaut, it's O. With umlaut, O. O. Without umlaut, it's U sound. With umlaut, U. U sound. And this is not B. This is, we say it in German as set, which means double S. Either you write this character, this special character, or you write double S. It means the same. The sound will be S sound. So these are the 4 special characters in German. So now we'll do A to C, including all these 26 plus these 4 special characters. A, B. You have to repeat after me. A, B, C, D, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, E, O, O, U, U. Set sound, which is a S sound in German. I hope alphabets are clear to you. Let's